Here's how you can easily connect your Bluetooth to one of these. If you can see right here, there's this Bluetooth option. You simply just want to click on this option, and then you can actually see we can select our device to connect. You actually have to put your device in pairing mode. You can see right here, it's actually scanning for the device. That means that it is in pairing mode. Now, depending on your device, there's actually different ways to put it into pairing mode. I would look up how to put your device in pairing mode because some devices you have to hold the button, some you have to triple tap, and there's other ways as well. If you look up how to pair your device, you're simply going to want to click on the scan option once again when it is in pairing mode, and it'll just show up on the screen like so, and you can connect it from there. And then it will actually automatically sync your workout and the data with the treadmill to your device. This goes the same for all other life fitness equipment as well. And basically when you're done working out, it will actually just save the data to your device and then disconnect from the treadmill when you click on stop or finish your run or workout, whatever you're trying to do. And that is all you need to do to just pair your device to one of these life fitness machines. If you found this video helpful, consider liking the video down below and subscribing if you're new to the channel. Thank you.